Feeling bloated, uncomfortable, and stuck? You're not alone. Constipation is common, and most of the time, small changes bring big relief. Below are 7 simple, natural remedies that many people find work quickly. I've kept the steps clear and doable with short explanations so you can try them today. Ever had stool that's hard to pass? Tried increasing water but still stuck? What if a few food swaps and tiny habits could fix it, sometimes within hours? If you want fast, natural relief, read on. These tips are friendly, safe for most people, and based on trusted medical advice. 1. Add fiber, but do it slowly. Fiber helps stool hold water and move through your gut. There are 2 kinds: soluble fiber, oats, apples, psyllium, softens stool. Insoluble fiber, whole grains, vegetables, adds bulk and speeds passage. Aim to increase fiber gradually over a few weeks so your body adapts. If you suddenly eat a lot of fiber, you may get gas or cramping. Start by adding 1 extra serving of fruit, a small bowl of oats, or a teaspoon of psyllium each day. Health experts recommend making diet and lifestyle changes first when treating constipation. 2. Try prunes or prune juice, powerful and natural. Prunes are a classic remedy. They contain fiber and sorbitol, a natural sugar alcohol that draws water into the bowel and helps stool move. Drinking about 1 cup, 200 grams, of 100% prune juice daily help people with chronic constipation in a clinical trial. If you don't like prune juice, eating whole prunes works too. How to use: start with a small glass 1/2 cup of prune juice or 3 to 5 prunes. See how your body reacts before increasing the amount. 3. Drink more, especially warm liquids in the morning. Dehydration makes stool harder. Plain water is essential. Warm fluids like hot water, herbal tea, or warm lemon water can stimulate digestion and sometimes trigger a bowel movement shortly after drinking. If you wake up constipated, try a warm drink first thing. Tip: sip, don't gulp. Adding a little lemon or a splash of prune juice can boost the effect. 4. Move your body. Even a short walk helps. Exercise speeds up how quickly food moves through your gut. You don't need heavy workouts. A brisk 10 to 20-minute walk after a meal can be enough to encourage your bowels to move. Regular daily movement keeps things regular over time. Mayo Clinic quick routine. Walk 10 to 15 minutes after meals. Try gentle yoga poses or do simple stretching to wake up the digestive tract. 5. Use probiotics and try kiwifruit. Probiotics, the good bacteria in yogurt, kefir, or supplements, can help some people with constipation by improving gut flora and stool consistency. Also, certain fruits like kiwifruit have shown promise. A trial found eating 2 kiwis a day helped ease constipation symptoms for some people. These are mild, natural options to test if fiber and fluids aren't enough. Note: not every probiotic works the same. Look for products labeled for bowel health or choose natural probiotic foods like plain yogurt with live cultures. 6. Consider magnesium, food or supplements. Magnesium pulls water into the intestines and can help stools soften. Magnesium-rich foods include leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. For short-term relief, magnesium citrate, a supplement, is commonly used as an osmotic laxative, but use it cautiously and not every day unless advised by a doctor. 7. Build gentle toilet habits and use abdominal techniques. Small daily habits can prevent and relieve constipation. Set a routine. Try to sit on the toilet for a few minutes after breakfast when your colon activity is higher. Use a footstool. Elevating your feet changes pelvic angle and can make passing stool easier. Abdominal massage. Rub your belly in a clockwise direction to help move stool along. Respond to the urge. Don't delay when you feel the need to go. Waiting can make stool drier and harder. Good toilet posture and routine often make a surprising difference. Many health services recommend these non-drug strategies as first steps. Quick, in-the-moment plan if you feel blocked. Drink a warm cup of water or herbal tea. Eat 2 to 4 prunes or drink 1/2 to 1 cup prune juice. Walk for 10 to 15 minutes. Use a footstool while seated on the toilet and try abdominal massage. If nothing happens after a day or you have severe pain, bleeding, or vomiting, get medical advice. When to see a doctor, don't ignore these signs. Most constipation is harmless and responds to home care. but see a doctor if you have severe abdominal pain or vomiting, blood in stool or black tarry stool, sudden change in bowel habits that last more than 2 weeks, unexplained weight loss, or a family history of colon disease. Health systems recommend seeking medical input for persistent or severe constipation, since it can sometimes signal an underlying issue. Avoid long-term use of stimulant laxatives unless a doctor advises it. They can lead to dependency. Pregnant or breastfeeding? Talk with your provider before trying supplements. If you have kidney disease, heart disease, or take many pills, check before using magnesium supplements or high-dose fiber supplements. Constipation is common and often fixable. Start with gentle changes: more fiber, enough water, a short walk, and a small glass of prune juice or a couple of prunes. Add probiotics or kiwifruit if you need extra help. Try one or two of the remedies above today and see what works best for you.